Powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 38 miles per gallon. This Ford features power windows, power steering, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and Advance Track. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, air conditioning, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Mills Auto Sales, a Carfax Advantage dealer.